Ang stranger na nakilala ko sa Omegle turned to be my patient, turned to be my friend, and now turning to be my wife.
Mahal, unang-una sa lahat, mahal na mahal kita. Every day, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Because you are one of the greatest blessings He has given to me.
Mahal, maraming salamat. Walang katumbas na pagpasalamat sa pagsagip sa akin sa panahong wala akong masandalan. Mahal na mahal kita. Sobra, Eliza.
It feels good to be alive.
Ikaw ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa akin sa tuwing pinanghihinaan na ako ng loob. I know that we'll face a lot of challenges in our life, but having you by my side makes me worry less.
We're ascending. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel the blood rush through my veins. I can take on the world when you're next to me. And I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Okay, dear Mahal, I know how much you wanted Papa to be present today for our wedding. So here is small remembrance of him that you can bring whenever you go to always remind you how much he loves you. Also, I hope you wear this on the second gift day to follow na lang yung kulang. I love you. Love, Aiza.
Sabi ng isang kwento, may you ever live happy together, happy until the end, and happy in each day of your lives.
Wish you good luck and the best of everything. I love you.
Love you. Alam ko po na marami kayong naituro sa akin. Kaya kakayanin ko po ito. Thank you, Manay. Love you po. Hi Mahal, this is my wedding gift to you. This is the start of new chapter of us and this will be a long day. Just hold on, keep still. Always remember, I love you. See you sa altar, my future wife. Yes. Tay, alam ko na kung nandito ka, masaya ka kasi may celebrate na naman tayo. Alam ko na gusto mong makatin dito. Sorry kung medyo pasaway ako sa'yo. Pero mahal na mahal po kita.
Come beside the storm.
So yung kasi, may pangaral kasi si Papa sa akin na hindi porke janitor or whatsoever tagalinas yung trabaho ng isa hindi mo na respeto. So yun lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na give respect to every people hanggat maaari.
Rest assured, we were made for this. We were made for this. Call me up before in forward motion to still this heart upon all my troubled waters. Say rest assured, we were made for this.
Mahal, with you I am complete. I love you and I will love you for all the days of my life.